This is concerning the Arelma case involving ill-gotten wealth of your family of at least $40 million in bearer bonds invested by the Panamanian Corporation Arelma in Merrill Lynch in New York. The Philippine government petitioned to get it back, but you filed a petition in 2009 in New York, also later before the Supreme Court here, to stop it. According to the World Bank, it is still pending. Now that you are the president representing the Philippine government, with the Solicitor General and the PCGG under you, which side will you represent, Mr. President? Will you fight yourself so that the Philippine government that you now represent can finally get it for the Filipino people?
It's hard for me to answer. You clearly know more about the case than I do. I really haven't looked at it in years. And I would advise you to talk to the lawyers that are handling it, because I'm not being specious or anything like that. Matagal ko na hindi narinig yung pangalan na Arelma. That was still in Hawaii when we were doing that name. So we haven't really been attending to it. The previous cases that cases that were filed post 1986, I have not touched. Nothing. It would be highly improper for me to involve myself in that. Besides, I don't have the time to do it, so I leave it to you.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.